Holoma. Revolutionary tool for increasing the accuracy of orthopedic surgeries using Microsoft HoloLens 2 and fiducial markers. There are about 20 million orthopedic surgeries worldwide each year. According to researchers, 20% of the patients are unsatisfied with the result after their surgery. They continue feeling pain and discomfort, which leads to the need for a revision surgery. Surgeons do the best they can, but after all they are people and people may not always be as accurate and precise as they intend to be. Holoma is helping the surgeons position their tools by showing the deviation between the current position of the tool and the planned trajectory as per the preoperative plan in 3 steps. Fitting. This is the process of mapping the 3D hologram of the preoperative plan onto the patient's body precisely. Navigation. Guiding the surgeons on the perfect position of their tools in every step of the surgery. Recording. Holoma records the surgery and shows the deviations between the planned trajectories and the actual performed actions during the surgery. How do we increase accuracy during orthopedic surgeries? Holoma is a medtech application developed for Microsoft HoloLens 2 which can be downloaded directly from Microsoft Store on any HoloLens 2 device. The solution works with 3D holograms of the patient's bone and allows viewing and interaction in a whole new way. Holoma tracks markers in space 50 times faster than the standard algorithms of HoloLens 2. We use 3 times smaller markers than standard and can track up to 10 markers simultaneously, whereas the competition tracks only 1. All of this allows us to achieve the best reported accuracy of up to 1.5 mm in deviation. Fiducial markers are placed on the patient for fitting of the 3D model of the patient's bone and on the surgical tools for intraoperative holographic navigation. We will illustrate the steps of a typical orthopedic surgery, in this case a total hip replacement. The process starts with a CT/MRI scan of the target bone. The scanned image is then converted into a 3D image over which the surgeon is preparing the preoperative plan. These 3 steps are standard surgical preparation procedure and are performed outside of Holoma. As a first step in the surgery, we need to superimpose the 3D hologram precisely over the target bone of the patient. We do this by first collecting points from the visible parts of the bone using fiducial markers. In this example we are collecting points from the acetabulum. Based on the points collected, Holoma is fitting the 3D image precisely over the patient's target bone. The fitted image stays in place and doesn't change its position when the surgeon is looking around. Furthermore, the position of the 3D image is constant for all HoloLens 2 devices that are involved in the surgery. Using markers that are mounted on the surgical tool, Holoma is providing real-time holographic navigation for every action of the surgeon: drilling, rimming, cutting and placement of the prosthesis. In this case we show an example of navigation for drilling. The indicators on the marker show in a convenient way the deviations on distance and angle on the marker as opposed to the preoperative plan. The color indicators show an additional visual aid for the surgeon on the progress and distance left for the specific action. Finally, Holoma can record the whole surgery along with all its elements and deviations. The recording shows all the steps in the surgery against the preoperative plan. It is then uploaded and stored in Microsoft Azure and can be used as a great tool for education but also as evidence for court cases. Holoma is a SaaS-based solution, priced per module per month for one HoloLens 2 device. Each module can be purchased independently and paid on a monthly basis. This way we give flexibility to the users of only paying when they need Holoma. Holoma. We help the surgeons of tomorrow be better than the best today.